Now that you're at the main OVID book collection page, you can go about searching for books or looking through our resources two different ways. You can go by title. So if your instructor says, for example, take a look at Charting Made Incredibly Easy, you can just scroll down and you'll find in alphabetic order by title, Charting Made Incredibly Easy. Where is it? There. This automatically opens into what OVID is calling their new book view. It'll just take a second to load, which is it looks like you're looking at a book. Accept the cookies. And here we are. This will start right with the cover of the book. It's taking a second to load, I apologize. But if you look over here on the left-hand side, there's a link to the table of contents and resources. You can see all the information for the front of the book. All of this will have information that you'll need to put on your citation page. And then the table of contents will let you hop from chapter to chapter. And the back of book includes appendices, indexes, glossaries, references. If you click on index here, then you can click on a letter and it'll pull up the index for that letter. So if you're looking for, I want to know how to chart doctor's orders specifically, you can pull up D, and then you can click on any of the pages for doctor's orders and it will take you directly to that page where doctor's orders are being discussed. You'll notice at the top here it says 6, enhancing your charting. That means it's from chapter 6. Over here, you can share your chapter by copying that link, and that'll bring you directly to this chapter. If you use the link at the top, it's not going to bring you exactly where you need to go. You're also able, if you go to a specific chapter, let's pull up chapter 2, the nursing process. It will allow you to download a PDF, and that PDF will download, and then you can open it up. Let's see if I can pull it open for you. And this will have the entire chapter 2 there if you need to download it to read it later or whatever you need to do with it. The second thing you can do from this page is search by topic. So say your instructor says, you know what, we've got all these great nursing books. I want you to go in and search for charting in our nursing books. You can search for charting. This is going to pull up the OVID search page, which has some interesting features, some good features, as it pulls up here. So you see your search history. You just searched for charting, and you can search within these if you care to. But here is a list of all of the places, all of the books in which charting is mentioned. So let's just look at this first one. This is from the Charting Made Incredibly Easy book. If you click on Cite here, it gives you the different ways to cite this, AMA, APA, and MLA. This functionality will be going over to the other view, but I don't know when. This also allows you to go straight into the new book reader here. The OVID full text is their old book reader, and that will be going away in the near future. It's not gone yet, but. So clicking on new book reader here will take you directly to what was highlighted on the search list as soon as it comes up. And here it is, enhancing your charting, which was what was highlighted here. And that's how you'll use the OVID research platform page.